Hi, this is Sreekanth. My channel is Sreekanth Nalagarla. In my channel, I'm discussing manual testing videos, Selenium WebDriver videos, and QTP videos. If you visit my channel, this URL, you can go for that and you can visit my videos. And if you listen and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay, now I'm planning to discuss in this video. First, I'm taking uh, online classes related to the Selenium WebDriver, related to the Selenium WebDriver online classes and manual testing classes and QTP, or we can call as a UFT online classes I'm taking. Okay, in this video I'm discussing Selenium online training. So now I can go for the online training for Selenium WebDriver. So actually, so many people have the doubt. Oh, if you want to learn the Selenium, core Java knowledge is required. So manually we don't know manual testing who are doing and who are starting to Selenium automation. They don't know the coding skills, so they have the doubt. So we don't know any core Java knowledge. How we can learn the Selenium WebDriver? Don't worry. I'm going for the basics onwards. Core Java, and then start with our Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. I can start with Selenium WebDriver. And also we can go for the project implementation with the real-time frameworks. I want to go for that. So basics, you don't want to worry about the core Java knowledge. You don't know anything core Java knowledge also. In my online Selenium WebDriver sessions, I want to discuss very detailed manner basics onwards core Java and then start with the Selenium WebDriver. And after completing core Java and Selenium WebDriver course in our sessions, now I can go for the one project implementation by using real-time framework implementation also. I want to show it. I want to show it and implement in practically on live application. So this is the points we can cover in our course. Core Java we can cover, Selenium WebDriver we can cover, and project real-time project implementation also I want to show it. So this is how we can go for that. Okay, coming to the point.
Selenium, what is the syllabus I need to cover? What topics I am planning to discuss? Okay, these are all the things we will discuss. Okay, very detailed manner. A small PPT presentation is it that we can go for that. Okay, I'll show you that presentation right now. Here we can go for that. Right now, see, observe here. This is we can go for the our Selenium content, what we need to cover. Right, observe here. This is my blog, Selenium Sreekanth blogspot.in. This blogspot can give the when my batches will be going on, and you need to contact with me. And this blog having the information, mail ID and phone numbers, everything is it. If you want to contact, and this is we need to follow, right? Okay, right. Next, coming to the here, what is the content we need to go for that, right? First, we need to go for the introduction to automation. Ways of testing. What is the manual testing? What is the drawback of manual testing? What is the automation testing? What is the drawbacks of manual automation testing? Which test cases can be convert into the automation? Which test cases cannot convert to the automation? What is the types of automation tools? and what is the difference between Selenium and Qtp. This is the topics we need to cover up to right now. This is, and next class onwards I can give what is a introduction of the Selenium, very detailed manner. Okay, coming to next one, components of the Selenium. What is the components of the Selenium? Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Right now, new is coming, Selenium Appium. That is we are calling as a mobile automation testing also. Selenium Appium, APPIUM, Appium. That is a 3.0 we are calling. Coming to the core Java. If you want to go for the automation tool, you must be know the some language compulsory. But we are preferred here Selenium with Java because of most of the companies will go for this is a combination Selenium with Java because of Selenium is a open source, Java also open source, and also Java is working very powerful manner in Selenium also, right? And now I can give the introduction of the core Java. Okay, and what is the oops, what is the class, what is the method, what is the data types and variables, operators, arrays, conditional statements, looping state. This is all I will discuss basics onwards. And coming to next one is oops concepts. And here what is the string class, object class, API, collection API, array list, hash table, hash set, and reflection API, static keyword, constructor, inheritance, keyword, super keyword, overloading, overriding, interface. These are all the things we need to discuss. Then regular expressions we need to discuss, exception handling we need to discuss, and working with the file system object like input file, and we need to working with the Excel file, means notepad files, Excel sheet. These all we need to work it also. Now coming to the Selenium WebDriver. What is the WebDriver? Why nowadays all are going for the WebDriver? What is the difference between WebDriver and RC? What is the architecture of the WebDriver? And how to download the WebDriver jar files? How to download the WebDriver jar files and configure into the Eclipse? And operational overview of Selenium WebDriver means WebDriver introduction and WebDriver having some classes and how to write the script in WebDriver. These are all the things we need to discuss. Now, WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium will support multiple browsers. So, working with IE browser, working with Chrome browser, working with Firefox browser, Safari browser, Opera browser. How? That we will discuss. Next, very important topic, object identification. If you go for the automation people, automation test engineers, most of the people facing the challenges here only. Identifying the object only the very challenging point for automation testing. That topic we need to discuss via the different manner. Like we can go for the export, ID, class name, tag name, name, link text. So many locators we can use it, and we can go for that. And we can go for in different ways. If you have one page, that page having the multiple elements, all the elements having same locator, same properties, there is no unique property, how we can identify? For example, one element is in, there is no property, single property also, we can't see that properties, how we can identify? This is a different cases we need to how to identify what is the challenges we are going for the automation test engineer to identify the object, that we will discuss. Next, property file. This is how we can go for the one of the concept. Now we can handle the web elements, text box, links, button, checkbox, radio button, list box, drop down, like that, so many pop-ups. These are all the things we need to handle here also. Next, we can have the Selenium WebDriver having the API, that API having lot of commands and operations like get method, get a title method, get window handle, like this, so many is there. That all also we need to discuss. Next, child elements. This we are calling as a child element commands. Clear. There's so many commands is it. That also we need to discuss and use it also. After completing this all the Selenium related our tools and Selenium related all the features. Now how we can go for the real world one project, that we need to discuss. First we need to understand the life cycle. Manually how we have a life cycle, manually how we have the process, same manner automation also we have the one of the life cycle. These life cycle divided into 6 phases. Automation life cycle. Okay, test planning, generate the basic script, enhance the script. This we have discussed this topic, so many topics. Debugging, executing, analyzing the result. Now coming to the advanced concepts of Selenium we need to discuss. What is that means? How to handle our keyboard strokes. Our keyboard is there. That keyboard having tab, enter, shift, okay, and we can go for the F1 to F12. How to handle these all the keyboard keys? That we need to discuss. Same manner, we can go for the back button and front forward button, refresh button. How we can handle? Same manner, we can go for the discussion. These all here, okay. And one more point, web tables. Right now, in web applications, we can use the web tables. How we can handle the web tables? For example, some web applications we have calendars. If you click on a small icon, that icon will be displaying as a calendar. That calendar made by and prepared by web tables only. How to handle that type of? This is we need to discuss. How to get the screenshots during execution time using Selenium WebDriver. After that, I want to execute one test case. Sorry. I want to execute one test case. Finally, once executing the test case, I want to store output specially in one file. How I want to store it? I want to execute it 10 times. That output I want to store into the one file. 10 times I want to store the output. How we need to go for that? Every time. That is a concept we can go for the log4j concept we are calling. Coming to the here AutoHit. What is AutoHit? To handle window based application actions in the middle of web based application. Now we can go for the AutoHit. For example, I'll give you one web based application. For example, we'll take our Facebook. In our Facebook, I want to upload my photo. Whenever I want to upload my photo, click on the option. It will be showing one window. In that window, we need to browse our photo and we need to select. That is the window-based application. We need to go for that. But Facebook is a web-based application. In that web-based application, I can perform some action. Some window is coming. That window, we need to do the browsing the action and selecting the image, and we need to apply to our image. This type of middle of web-based application, window-based actions, Selenium will not implement it. That situation we can use the AutoHit. That we can go for the here AutoHit program. That we will discuss. Coming to the next point. I'm taking one project. Like any project I want to take it. That project related manual test cases I'm taking. That manual test cases. How to convert as a test script by using different frameworks. First, I want to convert normal manner script. If you write normal manner script, we have a lot of drawbacks. To overcome that all the drawbacks, to avoid that all the drawbacks, how we can move to the frameworks. Why we can move the frameworks? In order to implement our task, our automation testing, very effective manner, very optimized manner, very efficient manner, we can move to the frameworks. We'll start a discussion with the help of the one project, all the frameworks, JUnit, TestNG. This is how we need to use it. We can implement modular framework, data-driven framework, keyword-driven framework, hybrid framework, and we can go for the page object model also. So this is a JUnit. We are discussing the topics. TestNG. SNG right now all the people will be implementing in the companies. So we will discuss more detailed manner SNG framework, modular framework, detailed manner using one project. We'll go for that. Data driven framework, keyword driven framework, and hybrid framework. What is the process is going on real time, folder structure, and what is the architecture of the hybrid framework. These all we will discuss and implement. Then Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium Grid, SQL, Maven, Jenkins. These all we will discuss and will complete our Selenium course also. So this manner we need to discuss.
How to get the job in software company. So this today we will go for the discussion our video. Okay, fine. This video. First one, to get the job, first if you enter into IT company, you required one degree is compulsory. So it's compulsory. So if you enter into the software company, minimum degree qualification is required. Minimum qualification is degree. And then you can go for the communication skills. Communication skills. So you can go for the communication skills, how to speak, how to explain your ideas, what you are speaking, what you are, okay, everything you can go for in English only. So communication skills is required. So communication skills, how we can go for very easily. If you join some course, otherwise if you go for the some other places you are joining, so communication skill is not improved. Definitely. Communication skill, if you want to improve in sense, you must be speak something. You can speak something, then only communication will be coming. Okay, you can speak proper manner. Okay, you know already everything, what is the words and grammar, everything, but how to frame and how to speak on the situation you don't know. That while practicing, while speaking only, that will be coming. So try to start the speaking and very slowly, and it will be improved, and it will be very perfect manner is coming also. Okay, so that's a remember. Next one, once these two is filled, you can go for the one of the technology. So one of the technology we need to go for that. So what is the one of the technology we can go for that? If you want to go for the software companies as a software job, you can go for the as a developer, you can go for as a test engineer, as a designer, as a database. So many is there. So any one technology related you need to learn very detailed manner. So while learning this technology, you can go for the in-depth manner, very detailed manner. Don't expect like your education level, like a question to answer, direct question and direct answer you are written. So don't expect like that. Don't learn in that way. So what is the technology? What is the purpose of this technology in company? How they are using to use in the company? What is the facilities available in this technology? How we can use it? What is the variations? These all we can go further. So while using this technology in every topic, every feature, you can go for that. What is that? How we can use it, where we can use it. These are 3 points you need to go for. What is that? How we can go for that, where we can use it. So this is the three you must be learn, and you can go for the technology very detailed manner. Okay, like you can okay, you can go for the developer Java, .NET, PHP, whatever. If you go for the testing, manual testing, automation, Selenium, QTP, whatever the tools, database, we can go for the designing. So many things is there as per your needs, as per your estimation, what you are suitable, that way you can go for as a developer, as a test engineer, as a database engineer, whatever designers, whatever you can go for that related you need to learn proper manner. Okay, after learn the proper manner that any technology that related one real time project you need to implement it. Real time project. So here what is the meaning of real time project means, whatever we are learning, that course in company, how they are utilizing in the project, how they are using in the project, how they are working in the company. that at least some idea you need to get to go for the real time project. So you are get the some confident, oh, I'm learning the course, that course how I want to use, how I want to use in the company, in project, that we can understand very easy manner. So this is a, we can go for the real time project, you need to go for that. Apart from this real time project, now you can go for the resume preparation. So you can go for the resume preparation proper way. What is your role? What is your responsibilities? What is the, you have the technology knowledge? What is your strength? What is your experience? What is your, okay, having the knowledge in domain? Everything you can mention in the proper manner resume. If you prepare properly resume, lot of calls will be coming. If resume is not good, so your calls will not come in proper manner. Fine. Next one. Once resume is completed, then you can start the FAQs. You can start the FAQs. So what is the FAQs means? You are learning some technology, but in that technology, what way they are asking the interview point of view questions. It's not exactly this is only asking, but what way they are asking, maybe these type of questions will be asking, oh, in this pattern they can asking in this manner, like that some of the model questions, this we are calling as a FAQs, we need to go. Sometimes directly they are asking also, and frequently asking questions also, you can go for that. This is FAQs. Once you can prepare these all the things, then you can go for the you can go for here. One more point is hard work. You must be do the hard work to fill these all, you can go for the hard work. Next one, improvement. So improve yourself. For example, you can go for the one interview, you are failure. Why you are failure in that company, in that interview, that you need to fulfill. What your lack, what your disadvantage, what is your, why your interview is gone, okay, why your interview is, okay, so it's not completed, it's not selected. So that drawback you need to find out, you need to improve yourself. So this is a, you need to go for the improve day by day, every interview, what is wrong with me, that you can fill it. What is the disadvantage, that you can fill it. That manner you can improve yourself. Next one, confident. Confidence. What is the confidence? So some people can go for attending the one interview, two interviews, and 10 interviews, and they can feel we are not suitable for the company, IT companies. Don't feel like that. Don't disappoint like that. You can try it. You can try it. When so you're not selected, what is the reason? You can find out. You can try to complete that one. Don't lose your confidence. Okay, so you can try it. Finally, one day you are getting the job very easy manner. Okay, once you are getting the one job, very easily you are getting the next job. Very clear. So first one time only you are feel very okay, somewhat difficult, somewhat hard work you need to implement. Sincerity, we can go for that. So you can go for that manner, and you finally you can got the your goal. That's we are calling as a job, we can call. Our course duration is 40 hours, we can go for that. 40 hours we need to take it. And these we can go for the one to one, if you required we can take it. And one to means group, we can go for that. Weekends, if you required, now we can go for weekends classes also. Okay, and weekday one to one and group of the people, and weekdays you can require, and we can go for the weekdays also. So whatever the flexibilities of your timing, in that flexibilities we need to go for that. Okay, so if you want to go for the online training for Selenium WebDriver, I want to go for the syllabus, I can go for the basics on more Selenium WebDriver. Very detailed syllabus is there. That syllabus we need to go for that, and we need to discuss very detailed manner. Okay, right. If you want to go for the online training for Selenium WebDriver, now you can contact with this number 8008 458046. Okay, if you want to drop the mail, okay, now we can go for, this is a Sreekanth dot testing tools gmail.com. Okay. If you want to attend the demo for Selenium WebDriver, now add with my Skype ID. Skype ID. This we can call as a Sreekanth Nalagarla. This is Sreekanth Nalagarla. Okay, sorry. I can go for Nalagarla. Okay, Nalagarla. Sreekanth Sreekanth Nalagarla. Nalagarla. This is my Skype ID, and you can contact with me. And now we can go for the our Selenium classes also. Okay, so this is Sreekanth. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.